Hey everyone, welcome. This is Etho. How's it going? What's going on? What's new? How's the family? Hello everybody, this is Etho. Hey, how's it going? Hello, how's it going? Greetings everybody, this is Etho. Woo! Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful. Oh, baby. All right. Oh, yeah. Preach, preach, preach. Oh, I just love TNT so much. Preach.
You might want to breach this, Etho.
Everyone seems to think redstone's my thing, but TNT is just a little bit more so.
You might want to
Preach. Preach, preach. Oh, I just love... Okay.
No breaching. Stop the breaching.
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. I'm barely alive here. I need food. Etho it. You've been ethoed.
I just ethoed this place.
You've been ethoed.
I just ethoed this place.
You've been ethoed.
Etho it.
You've been ethoed.
Etho it.
Is nobody taking this redstone?
It's all yours. Do as you wish.
And let's go through the redstone. The fun parts, the crazy parts. The part that is the most challenging.
You want that redstone, Etho?
Yes. Connect this to that, build this. Why isn't this working? I gotta fix this. I don't understand what's wrong. Is nobody taking this redstone? Connect this. Is nobody...
You want that redstone, Etho?
Yes. My 6.
Check it.
Check my 6.
I'm doing the best I can.
I'm doing the best I can. Yeah, that office is a pretty good show. I'm doing the best I can.
I'm doing the best.
My 6.
Love me, hug me, shower me with kisses.
Mwah, 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 mwah. Yeah, that office. I'm doing the best I can.
Sorry.
Sorry.
I'm doing...
Sorry.
Watch my 6.
I got your 6. Got your 6. Beef, watch my 3. I'll watch your 7.
You gotta be kidding me. I have a torch down and everything. I don't even know what's going on. What the heck? Where the heck are we? Why is there a abandoned mine shaft here?
I've hit you 1,000 times with the sword, and it just doesn't do anything.
He's cheating. Sneaking in there with his magic.
He's impossible to kill. I've hit you 1,000 times with the sword, and it just doesn't do anything.
Are they the only 2 left?
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's a lot of interference here.
Come on, Paz. You can do it, buddy.
He's cheating. Look at how much Paris is taking. He's cheating.
I've hit you 1,000 times with the sword, and it just doesn't do anything.
He's cheating.
Focus on the Etho. Focus on the Etho.
How is Etho still alive?
Hide until everyone is dead. That's how.
Man, he's cheating. He's cheating.
I've hit you.
Are they the only 2 left? There's 3 times. I'm out of arrows. Damn it!
Yes.
Wait, I see arrows.
Oh, no. See, you just popped me.
Yeah, I can
3, 4
keep shooting you. You can't reach me.
Oh, wow. Focus on the Etho.
Oh, you got me off the point.
Vanished. It got you off the point. Okay. Oh, yeah. No way.
You're not gonna kill me with it, though.
Are they the only 2 left?
Yeah. And you're gonna be like, come on, Etho, harvest the freaking clay already. What's the matter with you? We're gonna harvest the clay, guys. Oh, get excited. And you're gonna be like, no, don't harvest the clay, Etho. Don't do it. No, I'm gonna do it. No. Oh, just kidding. I'm not gonna do it. Oh. All right, you ready? You ready? I'm gonna harvest it now. Nah, I'm just messing with you. I'm not gonna harvest this clay. I am going to leave this clay here, and you're gonna see it every episode, and it's gonna torment you. Alright, you ready? And you're gonna be like, come on, Etho, harvest the freaking clay already. What's the matter with you? So much fun. guys again next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again next time. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.
I just ethoed this.
Love me, hug me.
Hello, everybody. I'm barely alive here. I just love TNT so much. Hey, everyone. What the heck? What the heck? I don't even know. What the heck? You gotta be kidding me. I had a torch down in there. Oh, you got me off the point.
He's impossible to kill.
Oh, nope.
Focus on the etho. Focus on the etho.
How is Ethos still alive?
Hide until everyone is dead. That's how.
Man, he's cheating.
He's cheating. Sneaking in there with his magic.
I've hit you
down,
1,000 times with the sword, and it just doesn't.
Focus on the etho. Focus on the etho.
How is Ethos still alive?
He's impossible to kill.
Focus on the etho. Focus on the etho.
How is Ethos still alive?